What makes a room feel warm is not more stuff. It starts with visual temperature. Wood makes a room feel quieter before you even notice the furniture. Then softer light and texture make the space feel closer, calmer, and more expensive. The same principle works in a living room too. One warm material anchor changes the emotional weight of the whole space. That is how a room starts to feel elegant, grounded, and human. Follow Valharst Studio for more interior psychology. Then you soften the light. Then you add texture that breaks the flatness. Now the room starts to breathe. It feels calmer, richer, and more intentional. The same thing happens with lighting. One ceiling light makes a room visible. It does not make it feel designed. Layered lamps create depth. Depth creates shadow. And shadow is what makes a room feel expensive. That is why a better room is rarely brighter. It is softer. You can see the same rule in a living room. Add one warm material anchor. Then support it with quieter texture. Then let the light fall off instead of blasting every surface. That is the difference between decorated and elevated. Calm rooms do not beg for attention. They hold it.